It doesn't have some effect on the kids.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow. Yay! Or, yeah, that's right.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
I wouldn't teach him that.
Birthday to
We're going to get older so fast.
you.
Blow, yay!
He's not aware that the next birthday is
Good.
Yeah.
People, I think he was talking.
Yay!
Good.
Cushion with the bulldozer. Oh
But he was pulled out the
no!
hammer and he was going to go against one of his proposals.
Do you want to build it again?
And he couldn't
What are you
run.
making?
I said, no.
Oh, you're making a
You
cake.
spent 40 billion
Wow,
on
that's a
illegal.
big cake. Oh no!
Place.
So this is going to be
Huh?
Place.
uh,
Place.
What's
Place.
Christ? Good morning. So we're here at Mama Cherry's house. We're going home. Ganun nga, ma. Alam mo naman. No, why not? You don't. Ganyan pala. What is that? Rocks. You got 2 rocks. It's dirty.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you, thank you.
You wanna say bye-bye to Lola? Next
Hindi pa namin
week.
alam kailan.
Next week agad.
Kasi yun, next week eh.
Sadie's rocks.
Next week? Ano ba lakad next week?
Say bye-bye to Lola.
Check up mo pala sa ospital.
Check up ko lang.
Ay, oo.
Mag ano?
Daddy?
You looking for Daddy?
You wait for daddy.
Daddy will be back.
Cedric! Are you sure you're going home? Okay.
Dami yun to. Isa din.
See you next time.
You wanna say bye to Lola?
Patok mga patok na lang.
You wanna say bye-bye to Lola? Lola, give Lola a kiss.
He can't wait till he's 12 and go shooting.
Yeah, I can't wait as well.
When he's 12 and
Go.
go shooting.
Thank you, Lola.
I'll still be.
How about Lola Paul? You want to give Lola Paul a kiss? Yes. Wow. Hug as well?
Yeah.
Hug little Sadie. Hug.
How about Lola? Hug? Thank you.
Hug. Bye, Sadie.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
No,
Ma.
no.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah.
Bye, thank you
yeah.
po. Mwah.
Oh, you're back.
Relax kayo. Mag-idlip kayo at maaga kayo nagising. 5:30 lang.
Enjoy your
Vacation.
seminar.
Seminar. Yung mamaya. Alright, let's go. Okay, back here at home at samahan niyo ako. We're gonna make some baon for tomorrow's lunch for me and my husband. So what I have here is just mixed veggie salad. So I am preparing for para sa 2 araw na lunch namin, and then I cut some capsicum or red bell pepper for vitamin C addition lang kasi it's rich in vitamin C and other nutrients. So yan, bali 4. Mag-shred ako ng carrots para samahan na din natin ng carrots for the vitamin A. our shredded carrots. So we're just gonna add these dito sa ating meal prep para for added vitamin C, vitamin A pala. And what else? Carotene ba yun? Yung good for the eyesight, ayan. Madami nilalagay sa akin. Pero kay Lau, ito kasi yung kanya, konti lang kasi hindi siya masyadong mahilig sa carrots. Ayan. There you go. Tapos, yung salad dressing ko, I'll show you. Ayan, so ito yung salad dressing na lagi kong ginagamit sa mga salads namin. Super sarap niya. Sobrang, ayan, ubos na nga eh. Ano to eh, 1 liter. Konti na lang kasi lagi ko nga siyang ginagamit. So, due na kami bumili ng another liter. Yung malaki na binibili namin para mas mura kasi mas mapapamahal ka kung maliliit yung bibilin. Pero you can find it sa mga Woolies and Kohl's sa Asian aisle or sa mga Asian store mabibili nyo to or sa mga Korean grocery shops kasi I believe this is a Korean brand. Ayan o, may Korean ano siya. So yan, masarap, super sarap talagang kahit anong salad, lagyan nyo nito ang dressing na to, mapapakain talaga kayo. Yun lang. So that is our baon for the whole 2 days of lunch. Plus, nagro-roast ako ng chicken sa oven right now. So, yun yung pinaka-protein namin. Roasted chicken na nabili ko lang din sa Aldi para lang mabilis. Tapos, full of protein siya. Ayan. So, that's it. And I like to add eggs on my meal prep kasi para lang sa extra nutrients na dala ng eggs kasi sobrang sustansya nito. So, ina-add ko siya sa lunch ko. Gagawa lang ako ng 2 ngayon for Monday and for Tuesday. Siguro sila, I don't know kung gusto niya ng may eggs sa salad niya with the chicken. But ako, I don't mind that kasi I know that I'm getting the nutrients from the eggs and it's very, very important for the baby to get all the nutrients. Now that I'm 2 months away from my due, kailangan ko na talagang maging disciplined sa aking diet and not to eat lots of sugar and salty food. So, I'm trying to be good kasi ayokong lumaki si baby. Baka mamaya hindi ko siya ma-push out naturally and I really wanna have this baby delivered naturally. So, that's it. Oh, of course. Make some eggs. While I'm cooking egg, gagawa tayo ng fruit spinach shake kasi nandito sina Hannah and Dane, my sister-in-law and her boyfriend. And gagawa lang ko ng merienda. It's 4 p.m. So, yeah. Okay, so what I have here with me, I have the frozen spinach with fresh spinach, frozen berries, and frozen banana and frozen mangoes. So, yun yung pagsasamahan. And then, I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt for protein and some full cream milk. So, let's make some fruit shake. Milk. That's our last drop of milk, I guess. Water na lang yung idadagdag ko. Okay lang din naman yon na water lang. Hindi naman necessarily kailangan ng milk. Meron naman tayong Greek yogurt anyway for the flavor. So, let's do that. it to Hannah and Dane. Special delivery for Hannah and Dane. Well, it's a very healthy Greek yogurt, banana, mango, spinach, and what else is in there? All the good stuff. So it's not
And
sweet
some,
because there's no sugar at all.
some blended cockroach.
Nah. I made another green smoothie for Sadie and for myself and for Han. So this is it. Really good. Really yummy and very healthy. So inuwi ko tong plastic cup from Boost kasi nakyutan ako. Super cute and super hard plastic siya. And pag nilagay mo yung cup, sobrang tight. Super secure. Kaya inuwi ko siya kasi sayang. Recycle. Alam mo yun. Ayan. So this one's for Sadie. And then the rest are for me and his daddy. There you go. Let's make the delivery for Sadie. Sadie! I've got your smoothie. Here you go.